Now that we've had a bit of spooky fun, let me show you how I made this apron out of a thrifted pencil skirt and a little bit of fabric from my stash. Oh, and trust me, no knives were necessary. Or maybe they were. This video is a collaboration with my friend Samantha from Samantha Loves to Sew. So this skirt is just a pencil skirt that buttons at the front. It had this waistband, which I have removed already. And I'm thinking that I will need to cut a bit of the length because it's a bit too long. It's below my knees. I had to try another gathering stitch with this thread, which is quite strong because my black thread was really thin and breaking all the time. And I think it looks fine like this. I think the length and the width is perfect. And I will go ahead now and create the bib and the rest, and then I'll add the waistband. I'm sorry if my Halloween decoration is very plain, but here in Greece we don't really celebrate Halloween. It's not in our culture. Only the past few years we've had stuff in the stores being sold for decorations like these cute things, but we don't have the variety that there is in America or England. Here in Greece we celebrate the carnival, like the one they do in Rio de Janeiro, which is in I think end of February, something like that. It's basically after Lent, and that's when we do costumes and stuff like that, but it's not the same as Halloween because the concept is not spooky horror, spiders, pumpkins. It's not like that. It's more just costumes like clowns and dancers and whatever you can think of, just any kind of costume. But it doesn't have to be spooky, and usually it's not spooky. I'm not really a fan of the carnival aesthetics. I think it's kind of kitschy, which is the point of it, I guess, but it's not my kind of thing. It's not my cup of tea. I do prefer Halloween. Anyways, let me continue cutting these pieces and I'll be right back. It is the next day. And last night, before I went to bed, I just made the bib, and I also made the straps, but I didn't sew them. And I made the frills, are they called frills? And I already did this morning, I just added this satin bias binding around the ends of the frill, one of them. I'm just going to do the second one. DIYing project. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more vintage style and DIY projects. See you in the next one. Bye.